Three medium-sized yam. The three yam has been peeled. It's time to cut them. The biggest out of the three is cut into three. Then I'm going to cut each into two. Then two again. Then I'll slice each to three pieces like that. I have to make sure that I remove all the spot parts like this. It has to be removed from the yam. Time to rinse the yam. I'm going to be rinsing this yam twice or twice. This is the first water. I'm trying to clean the yam under running water. It is very important that you clean the yam properly because of sand. The yam was set aside while I prepare the base. I've got two medium-sized onion here and I'm going to be dicing this. I'm going to be using both oil and palm oil and vegetable oil. Reason being that this palm oil has aftertaste. So that's the reason why I'm using vegetable oil and palm oil. You don't want the oil to over fry because you need that redness for the porridge. The onions has been frying for 2 minutes, so I'm going to go in with ready blend and cook pepper. This is about 1 liter in total. I'm going to fry this and this will take like 10 minutes to fry. I'm going in with minced herb, curry, and I'm going to be adding 1 liter of stock. That's chicken stock. Is it chicken or beef stock? That is the base. The base for the porridge is done now. So I'll let it boil like for 5 minutes. Then I will add in the yam. I'm going to add in the yam now. That's 2 kg of potato. I need to add in some salt. Not too much. About 1.5 teaspoon. Then I'm going to cover it and let it steam. Oh, I need to add mangi before covering this. These are the mangi that I'm going to be using. Half cup of crayfish. Mix well. This is the result after the yam has been cooking for 30 minutes. The yam can cook for longer, like 40 to 50 minutes, depending on the type of yam. So I'm going to let this cook for additional 10 minutes before mashing it all together. This is the time to mash the yam now. You can see that the yam is fully cooked. I'm going to be using my masher. It's cordless masher. I don't want to mash it too much, so that's done. Alhamdulillah, Allah could name for the end result of our porridge. This yam and potato porridge.